Sometimes the simplest ideas can be the best, and often the unimaginative perish miserably. All I know is that the closer I get to the Romans, the less interested in chasing me the three wives seem to be. I wonder what Crassus did to his little wifeys. I'll have to ponder that mystery over a Bloody Mary. Bye, ladies. As the lake spilled into a dark underground river, I hung on to the boat's stern unseen by its legion. This wet, cold ride seemed to last forever, but as the Roman soldiers paddled, I began hearing them speak of something called Underwood City. Upon seeing it, I realized why they clamored so. This place is an absolute marvel to the eyes. Crassus built everything with a brutalist/Roman aesthetic that is unlike anything else on Earth. The massive metropolis is cleaner and more beautiful than LA, but like everything involving vampires, the beautiful exterior serves as a warning, not an invitation. This place is more brutal than the most dangerous neighborhoods in any city on the Earth's surface. I was so fixated on the grandeur and the graphic violence of this secret underground world that I never saw the Roman legionary behind me. There's an indescribable beauty in absolute blackness, but what came next was utterly mind-bending.
Hey, sleepyhead. You laid down for a nap and you've been out all day. Get up, it's almost 7.
Mom?
That's probably your girlfriend. Go let her in. Billy is setting the table right now.
Daddy?
Nini, it's good to see you've joined the living.
Speak for yourself. Elle, honeybee?
Expecting another girlfriend, because I can leave if you want your space.
I haven't seen you in 15 years.
Okay, Miss Drama. She had a trip to the groomer, not thee.
I have everything I wanted. What time is this dinner?
Girl, are you high? I told you it was at 7 3 times.
Yes, I'm high on life.
You look gorgeous, and your hair. I can't believe it's naturally this color. Seriously, I thought you were gonna lay off the Mary Jane now that you have an agent.
An agent for my fashion line?
What are you talking about? What fashion line? Your mother talked Jay Swain into putting you in her next movie. He's throwing you a dinner tonight. We are going to be late for dinner.
I don't care. I've never been happier.
What?
Billy, I've missed you.
You have rehearsals in the morning, Stoner. You can't just lay in bed getting high all day anymore. Get up. Elle has a surprise for you in the kitchen.
Hey, sexy. I made my grandmother's gumbo for our last night of freedom. Does this blow your skirt up, baby?
It's the most delicious thing I've ever tasted.
Hey, isn't that what you used to say about me?
I'm so confused. Honeybee?
Hey, sexy. I made my grandmother's gumbo for our last night of freedom. Does this blow your skirt up, baby?
It's the most delicious thing I've ever tasted.
You love your mommy?
Hey, sexy. I made my grandmother's gumbo for our last night of freedom. Does this blow your skirt up, baby?
It's the most delicious thing I've ever tasted.
Really, girl? Do you even know what they're feeding you?
Come again?
I need you to listen to me. You ever wonder why you're so happy every day at 7? But do you even remember anything else?
I need to kiss you.
No, you need to be loved. But this ain't love. Now you can kiss me if you want to, and I'll make you feel so alive for a few seconds. Or you can take this knife. Look at me. What is it gonna be? A last kiss or a knife? What are you gonna do?